Here are a few simple things that any homeowner can do to ensure their dryer vent stays in good working order. Check behind your dryer every so often to be sure your vent hose isn't crushed or damaged. Clean your lint trap after every load to reduce lint buildup. This is the easiest thing you can do to reduce lint buildup and keep your dryer healthy. And once or twice a year, have your dryer vent cleaned professionally. This will ensure you know exactly what's happening inside your system before it becomes a problem. A little prevention today can keep your home safe, efficient, and comfortable for the future.